So a few months ago, I shared this splitting maul. It was one of the cheapest that I could find, but everybody told me that you get what you pay for. So I decided, you know what, we're gonna try one of these Fiskars. So I ordered this a couple nights ago and it arrived and I've been using it. Now this one is the X27. It's a 36-inch length, so it's good for taller people. And it has an ISO core design to help with the vibration and minimizing the vibration. This one does have a sharper edge to try to bite in for quicker one-strike splits. What I also really like is that they have a full lifetime warranty. I'll definitely agree this one's better quality. But if you're looking for a pretty good axe, go with Fiskars.